Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a Ramadan card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google and log into your Canva account with ID and password. Then after login, you'll find here a search bar. Just click here and write Ramadan card and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you'll find many Ramadan card templates. Just choose one and start customizing by yourself. So let's choose this one, Happy Ramadan Kareem. If you like this template or if you want to choose this, so click on customize this template. After clicking on this, your template is ready to customize. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how you can edit. If you want to make it zoom, just click a space and you can see here the control from your keyboard and up scroll from the mouse. Control plus up scroll, it will be zoom like this. So now if you want to change this to our dearest neighbors, if you want to make it color, just double click and you can see here text color, and you can make it any color you want. If you want to make it bold, just click on this bold, your color will be bold. So if you can see here, may Allah bless you with wealth and happiness and gives you a healthy life. If you want to make it change and if you want to write anything, you can just choose it and press backspace and you can write anything you want here. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, you can see here the background. You just click on the space and you'll find background color. Click here and you'll find many background colors. Just choose one which is relevant to you. That's up to you. So after completing your work, how you can download it, go here, share button, and you'll find download. Click on this and you'll be suggested for file type. Just click on file type. After clicking on file type, just choose a file and start downloading. If you want to share this work via mail, go share and you can find here collaborate link. Click on collaborate link and then you have to choose this one, anyone with the link. Then you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. So after completing your email address, just click on send. After clicking on send, this whole work will be sent to that mail. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a Ramadan card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.